Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar Swiss 4 hour time frame, I think we potentially are looking at some sort of a complex pattern here because we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. I think this is potentially like an ABC of A, and then this is like 1, 2, 3 down for like a wave B, and that's going to be a lower low wave B, why I call it a complex pattern. And then I think we potentially could set up for a wave C, and then, potentially in a week or two, because this is the 4 hour time frame, I think that is when we're going to get the continuation of the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got CPI inflation data coming out today. Looking at the US dollar index, I feel like the dollar index might actually end up popping down a little bit. It might even go all the way down and take out these lows to make like a 1, 2, 3 of wave B. And then maybe not today, maybe tomorrow or something, it will end up reversing back up like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. Either way, though, CPI is a pretty big news event, so definitely trade with caution today. I mean, anything can definitely happen. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.